very deep funnel characterizes this sombre, edible fungus, which is known as the horn of plenty and the trumpet of death. In Greek mythology, cornucopia refers to the majestic horns of the nymph Amalthea's goat, which were stuffed with whatever meat or drink the owner requested. It has become a symbol of abundance. The name trumpet of death is likely derived from the growing mushrooms that appeared to be played as trumpets by the dead under the ground. Craterellus Cornucopioides is now considered to be a purely European species and grows in deciduous, mixed and rarely in evergreen forests, from Scandinavia to the Mediterranean. But related and very similar species of this fungus are found in North, Central and South America, in Asia and also in Japan. The fruiting body has a form of a deep funnel with a cavity wrapped in a roll with a corrugated edge. Emptiness goes to the bottom of the fruiting body, so it resembles a trumpet or an horn. When mature, the fruiting bodies are 3 to 8 centimeters wide, 5 to 12 centimeters tall, and the inner surface is grey-brown, black-brown, or almost black, with tiny scales. The meat is thin, 1 to 2 millimeters thick, relatively elastic, dark blue, with a pleasant smell and mild taste. Finding it in the forest can be a challenge. Its diminutive size and somber color allow it to blend remarkably well into its surroundings. Many mushroom hunters describe searching for a horn of plenty as looking for small black holes in the ground. Craterellus Cornucopioides, a choice edible. They actually develop an even stronger flavor when dried and take on notes of truffle,